My name is Jacob, and I'm here today to tell you about LASIK eye surgery. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you had LASIK eye surgery, and the positive and negative outcomes of LASIK? That is why I am here today, to tell you about all the effects of LASIK eye surgery. Now, let's talk about why people get LASIK eye surgery. There are positive effects of LASIK eye surgery, and people have LASIK eye surgery done to correct nearsightedness, which is also known as myopia. People get LASIK to correct farsightedness, which is also known as hyperopia. And people also get LASIK to correct astigmatism, which is when the cornea becomes uneven by curves or being flat in improper positions, and you have no focus on near or distant objects, and your vision will be blurry. Now let's move on to the negative effects of LASIK eye surgery. Dry eyes. Your eyes will be dry, and you may not produce as many tears as normal. This side effect typically lasts from 6 months or more. Glares, halos, and double vision. After you have had LASIK eye surgery, you may see glares. You also may see halos from around lights that are brighter, and you will also experience double vision, and this side effect typically lasts from days to weeks. Extra dim vision. Your vision in dimmer lights such as sunset and sunrises will change greatly in a negative way. Undercorrections. Sometimes the laser removes less tissue from your eye than what it was supposed to remove. Your vision will not be as clear, and to fix this effect, you will have to undergo another surgery. Overcorrections. Instead of the laser removing too little tissue from your eye, the laser may remove too much tissue, which can also result in a non-clear vision, and this process is harder to fix than undercorrections. Astigmatism. Like we talked about, people may have LASIK eye surgery to fix this issue, but as the laser removes tissue out of the eye unevenly, this will be the result. You may need another surgery, or you can use glasses or contacts to fix this issue. Flap problems. When the flap is removed to perform the surgery, complications may arise, such as infections, excessive tears, or the epithelium, which is the outermost corneal tissue layer, may grow incorrectly after surgery during the healing process when the flap is replaced back in its proper position. Vision loss or changes. The worst thing that could happen after LASIK is completely losing your vision. Another side effect of or outcome of having LASIK eye surgery is that your vision may actually turn out worse than what it originally was before you underwent the surgery. Now we will discuss the reasons why avoiding LASIK eye surgery is recommended. You should completely avoid LASIK eye surgery if you have autoimmune disorders. An example of an autoimmune disorder is rheumatoid arthritis. Avoid LASIK if your immune system is weak from medications or having viruses like human immunodeficiency virus. Avoid LASIK if your vision is unsteady from medications, changes in hormone balance, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or of your age of being too young or too old. You should also avoid LASIK if you have keratitis, uveitis, herpes that are affecting your eyes, glaucoma, cataracts, lid disorders, or if you have injured or previously injured your eyes from an accident. Now we will discuss why you should completely avoid LASIK overall due to the results being way too extreme in a negative way. Completely avoid LASIK surgery if you have keratoconus or if your family has a history of having this disease. Avoid LASIK if your nearsightedness or myopia is way too extreme. Avoid LASIK if your pupils are too big or if your corneas are too thin. Avoid LASIK eye surgery if you have presbyopia, which is less clear vision due to changes in eyes because of your age. Avoid LASIK if you play sports with possible face contact Now we will go over what we have learned today. We learned that LASIK eye surgery can have lots of effects, and all these effects can be positive or they may be negative. LASIK eye surgery should be completely avoided if you have any of the things I have listed above, which is because of negative side effects. In some cases, LASIK could completely restore your vision, but remember to keep in mind of the effects that could happen, which can totally change your life. I hope you all enjoyed my discussion of the positive and negative effects of LASIK eye surgery. I received all of my information from the Mayo Clinic website and Health and Wellness Topics, Health Tips and Disease Prevention website, and an article called LASIK Eye Surgery Standard and Safety Issues, pulled from a book called Clinical Risk. Thank you for watching my presentation.